Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2019 E63S 4MATIC. This one is a Designo Selenite Gray Magno. Underneath the hood is a 4-liter V8 bi-turbo with 603 horsepower and 627 pounds of torque. This one does come with the exterior lighting package with adaptive high beam assist, LED intelligent lighting system, AMG night package with high gloss black elements on the front splitter, side, black mirror covers, and rear diffuser. For wheels, we've got 20-inch AMG forged cross-spoke wheels. The tires are in good condition. AMG red calipers, V8 bi-turbo 4MATIC badging, a black Napa leather with silver stitching, metal weave trim, panorama sunroof. Coming around back, rear spoiler, AMG E63S badging, power liftgate, clean set of AMG floor mats, fold down rear seats. Alongside, we've got blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, warmth and comfort package with heated door panels, rapid heating seats, front heated armrests, heated steering wheel, AMG illuminated door sill, ambient lighting, AMG steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, touchpad steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, AMG performance exhaust, our suspension adjustments, touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center, dynamic select for different driving patterns, hard keys for a media display, dual climate controls, navigation, surround view backup camera, AMG performance exhaust. This E63 has 25,006 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this E63S 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.